Yo guys, it's up Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. So, let's get right into it. Today I hope that I might get good progress on all of that freaking maintenance layer here. There's still a lot to do and a lot to weld and a lot to place. So, let's not lose any time. And just start right off. I'm gonna just start with this because this is the easiest thing to do as a starter. You know, just putting these down. Once all the floor slash the ceiling, depending on which side of this room you are on, is finished, we can put lights in at the floor below, which is gonna be a good idea, I think. So yeah, that's definitely gonna happen, but first we still need to do a lot of welding before that can happen. And I mean a lot of welding. But yeah, good thing we still have our very close by cargo container here. We can just take that stuff. Oh, it just took it out of a welder. Probably out of the welding ship? Oh, maybe, huh? Could be. But at least now this part is completely, utterly welded shut. Nice. But then there's this part too, of course. So the work is never done, at least for now. Just have to keep on trucking. Okay. But before we do anything else, let me continue here. And I just realized that's a bit of an awkward position for this. Yeah, we might have to move it. Most likely we'll have to move it. Let me just do this real quick, because obviously there will be a connection somewhere. Oh, I could have done it from here, honestly. Yeah, fine. We'll do it from there. Although, no, that's technically a very bad idea, because then I cut off even more of the maintenance deck's walking area without having an advantage of any kind. I use more piping and I have less, well, available spots to walk in. So, yeah, I shouldn't do that. Let's go to main inventory. There we go. Let's get some of you. Actually, let's get... What do I need to place these conveyors again? We need... interior plates. Yeah, right. So, let's get interior plates. We'll start out with that. We'll just start out by laying down the piping. So it will go to here. Here we'll put a conveyor block in. And then I'll probably have to weld these here first, otherwise we won't get to them. Or at least not properly. But then it will basically continue towards here, towards this. Actually, we can do it. It's just gonna be a bit of a walk around. But hey, there you go. There we go. So, let's get all the construction components we need. Might not have enough, but we'll see. And then these two. Excellent. Okay. Now let's get motors and tubes. Double the amount of tubes as to motors. So let's get 200 tubes and 100 motors. Yeah, that's almost perfect. Perfect. Okay. So all of these things are now connected, which means I will now move this bad boy again to the next destination. Let's move it. Yeah, let's move it over here. Yeah, sure. Over here. And now, steel plates. And now we'll continue over here with the floor. At least for a little bit. It's also so freaking clustered in here. Movement is really annoying. There we go. Let's just start a well. Wait, is there under this? Is there the well complete? Yes, it is. Okay, good. Under here as well. Excellent, excellent. Most excellent. Okay. We're just gonna do like 2 loads of steel plates. We'll put into this and then we'll return to the conveyors. But yeah, we can finish this today easily, I think. Or at least that's the plan, really. So we'll see. But I feel we should be able to do it. That should be enough to weld all of these, hopefully. Looks good. Might be close, but looks good. Yeah, boy. And then we'll just place the rest of our plates to this part here. There you go. Okay. Now, back. Let's see. How many more interior plates do we have? Not many. We're running low. We're also running low on tubes, yes. How about motors? Motors are still fine. Construction components are still fine. So let's make about 3,000 tubes. Actually, we'll make them a bit more, you know, interspaced here together. So we'll make some interior plates, then some tubes, some interior plates, tubes, interior plate, tubes. There we go. Hopefully that should help us along with the material. Anyhow, let us lay some pipes. Some more pipes, that is. So we'll start here. Oh, there's also stuff that needs to be finished. Maybe I should do that soon. Soon-ish. Yes, well... yeah, I'll have to make the bend beforehand, because again, if I do it back there, I will cut off more of the walking area, which I do not necessarily want to do. So the bend is going to be in here. Like this. Okay. Just real quick, I'm gonna inventory. There we go. We're gonna grab ourselves some steel plates, which we'll also need a few more. And then we're just gonna finish these little corners pieces, these corner pieces here. So that we don't forget about those. That would be bad. That would be terrible. So all of these need to be finished as well, obviously. Okay. Right, and the rest of it we can just toss into here, just for good measure. And that's actually also probably some of the last plating we'll need to lay down. It looks like there's still a vent that we should probably also do. We'll have to check out how we're gonna install it. But yeah, let's use all of these plates up real quick. There we go. Okay. We need next some of that.
Energy.
Very nice. And then we'll do the same thing again. This. finish off all the pipes. Good. That's the next step. Okay, I'll take a load of steel plates again, just to intersect this with a bit more building. Yeah, we need a lot more steel plates, don't we? Or do we have somewhere unlock? Oh, okay, there's actually 4,000 more over here. Let's put these into the main inventory, just so we know. There we go. So we are not concerned too much about our steel plate reservoir. Very nice. Yes, yes, yes. The ship's integrity is becoming better and better every episode. A bit more complete. You know, I should almost like put like a percentage in somewhere that shows how much the ship is actually complete, but it's so hard to figure this out, you know. But yeah, there you go. Right. We'll lay some more pipe. We'll get ourselves, there we go, some more interior plates. And we're producing interior, we have produced interior plates, have we? Yes, we have, indeed. There we go. Yes, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Very well done. Okay. So the next step.
Energy critical.
That's an easy one. 1, 2, and then there's gonna be another one over here. We're just gonna do it like this. 1, 2, and then the bend over here. And then how did we do it over here? It's actually not quite. Oh, we did it like this. So we just pulled it up to here. Did the bend, and then into this. Okay. Right. Let's just do this one here first, this section, and then we'll move our inventory again for the last time on this deck, I feel. Right. Yes. And then this. All finished. Good. Right, steel plates again. Can complete a bit more of that floor. Shouldn't be much now. Probably done this time, this load.
No energy.
If I had the energy, that is. But the thing is, it's the no energy is not like deadly anymore because we are in an oxygen-rich environment, because our ship is now pretty much proof, you know, it's airtight. So that's a good thing to know, right? That our ship is completely airtight. So now we only have to refill energy at this point, because oxygen is basically consumed out of the air instead of our backpack. That's a good proof of concept that the ship is airtight. Very nice. Okay, that's done. Let's get back up. Always a good indicator that you don't have a gravity generator. If you angle up like this on the stairs. Freaking magnetic boots. Right. Let's just finish this up. Should have enough material as well. Okay. I think here we can use the same technique like we used on the other side. Let me just grab a few things that we need. Girders. Yeah. Okay. I think I got it. Girders, then a few of these, a few of these. What else do we need? Small tubes as well. Yeah, that's good. So let's install this. 2 lights. We might just use these lights for all the hallways. Or for this hallway at least. It might switch out some lights as well for these, because I do like these a lot. I do have to say. One of the best parts from the DLC. By far, in my opinion. But hey, there you go. Okay. There is the shaft. Or the grate, so to speak. And now here comes the... Oh, we have it already there. The vent. Now we also need computer and construction components. And we'll also need a motor. There we go. Excellent. Now we also have light panel. Yeah, we have all of these light panels. Actually, we'll adjust these later. They're easy to find because they are light panels. This is the... I think I called it lower deck, didn't I? Yeah. Lower deck air vent. Probably didn't even name the other one. Doesn't matter. It's named now. Okay. That's good. Now, let me move this bad boy. Main inventory. There it is. Let's put all in there. That's a big one. Yeah, here's right. Okay, we're gonna lay down some piping again, first and foremost, before we do anything else. We're gonna do it like this, then with a little bend here, if we can get it to work. There we go. Which is a problem because now I actually, well, I have to cut this real quick because I cannot get back here. Kind of forgot about that. Oh well, we'll have to do it one by one, it's fine. Or one after another. Excellent. Oop, that's wrong. Good, just one piece of pipe missing, and we're gonna lay some more pipe anyway. So yeah, let's get some interior plate again. So we'll have this one obviously, and then we'll have another one over here. We'll just do it like this, it's fine. It's not gonna be symmetrical, but then again, this is the maintenance deck, it's fine. It's not supposed to be perfect. Gonna be snaking it over here. There, just like that. This is gonna be the access to the vent. Excellent. And then we'll also have some ceiling to weld. And then after this, I'm gonna do a little tour of this of this maintenance floor, just to check if I got everything this time. But I think this time we're pretty good. Should be fine. There we go. And the last pipe. There. So, this whole floor should be connected now via pipes. Most excellent. So now let me get more steel plates. And then we'll do the ceiling here real quick. It'll take a little bit, but I mean, we have to do this anyway. The floor above us is gonna be ugly otherwise. The floor above us is actually the entrance into the main hallway, so to speak. Isn't it? So yeah, this one is not yet perfect. We definitely have to work on that a little bit more, but at least the floor we can make of this. Ow, I'm gonna kill myself at one point here, I know. And then there's gonna be a lot of lights we have to put in. Again, I'm gonna put in a lot of these light panels probably in the lower hallway. That makes sense to me. Well, we'll see about it, but yeah, I think that they're pretty cool for these hallway situations. Okay, let's make a little roundabout and see if there's anything wrong. I see green pipes only, which is a good sign. I also don't see any ceiling unfinished. Now the problem, of course, is here we won't get through. So we'll have to go to the other side to see. And here we'll only get to here. We don't get into the back side here. We'll have to cut through one of these conveyor pieces, but it's fine. Okay, that does look fairly completed. Let me just go up one floor and just dump the rest of the steel plates in here. And actually, let's get some more steel plates. I just want to have that done, just so we have it. More steel plates. It will look a little bit more complete like this. Excellent. And oh yeah, there's obviously this part as well. This is then the upper maintenance floor, which we haven't really dealt with as well. So yeah, we'll have to think about that one. So now, let me get a few other components. Actually, more of that, more of that, more of that. There we go. And now we can go and make some light fixtures. First, I'm gonna dump all that steel in here again. Okay, let's make a little circle on the lower deck if we go down here. We go in here and then we'll just go around real quick just to see if everything is done. And it looks like it is. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now light panels. Let me actually walk here. So let's do 2, and then we'll have to basically measure it from here again. If we do the same thing, have light panels like this, do 2 distance, that doesn't even work here. We'll just put it into the corner like this, right? Oh, I just realized that doesn't work here either, so we're gonna do the same thing. Put it into the corner. And then I think, how many corner blocks do we have here? We have that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, no, 4. That means we could do technically 1 here and then 1 here, because we cannot put a block in the middle here. That won't work. We'll have a few very close together, but that's fine. That's okay. We can deal with that. But we could also just put a block here and then 1 here and 1 here. Then it would have a bit more, like almost 2 blocks distance between all of them, which wouldn't be too shabby, I don't think. And then also the gap in the middle here would be a bit more regular instead of irregular. Yeah, I think that's how we do it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's do that. 1, 2. And then that one here. 1, 2, and then that one here. Close to the wall. 1, 2. There. There. 1, 2. Close to the wall. Outer one. 1, 2. And then this one. 1, 2. Close to the wall. 1, 2. Close to the wall. I think we got it. Okay. Time to weld all of them. And then we'll already see how well it's spaced, even though we haven't increased the light radius yet, but we'll see like an approximation of how well this is placed. Here, of course, we have a little bit of light spill, which is not perfect, but we'll have to deal with that. There's also gonna be a few more doors we have to put in and stuff like that, but yeah. Oh, one thing after another, right? Okay. We're gonna go and take a few more of those plates. There we go. Since we have a few more steel plates, put those into here. Yeah, the vent here is also not done yet. And here we won't have a vent that is... or we could put in a vent that is... that has a grate in front of it, but we don't have to, really. But we could. I suppose. Oh well. Let's go down and... yeah, let's go down and do the welding, although I'd probably recharge my energy first. Come on. Charge me, baby. Charge me harder. Well, it's fairly fast at this point. Okay. Let's go and make some light happening. Actually, we stopped somewhere over here, didn't we? Yeah, we did. There. And that's all of them. And if we go around here, the spacing to me feels already quite good. The light radius doesn't need to increase that much to make this viable. Okay, let's go to the panel, light panels, there we go, and we'll call these lower deck hallway light. That's what we're calling these. So let's just get all of these named properly, so we know which one they are. There we go, not many now. And done. Okay, and now we can take all of these and increase light radius to about, I would say 7-ish is probably enough. Yeah. Then maybe a little bit of offset. Let's see how this looks. I feel that is pretty good. And I do like these light panels. Yeah, that works. That is bright enough. Even there's like a tiny dark spot in between the biggest gap. Just a tiny dark spot here again. But I mean, we can try and increase it to... Oops, this one is named improperly. There we go. We can increase it to 7.5, and I think that will be good enough. And also the spill from the cryo chamber is not that bad now. But the question is, does it now spill into the maintenance floor above? It might a little bit, but it's not terrible if it does. No, it's not. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. I would say that's pretty good for today. We made light. We completed the lower maintenance floor. Which means next time we'll just have to do a little bit of cleanup. We'll put in a door. We'll put in proper... oh, we cannot really put an LCD here because we already have that spot used. Unless we move this slight, we'll do quadra lights here instead of 1, 2, 3. Or I could just put like another door in compared to the doors we normally use. And then it would be clear to me that it is maintenance door. And then we'll also need to make this happening. The lights here are already done. But yeah, we'll have to make all of this floor done as well. And then we'll have to go up and... there we are. Maintenance floor number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so this is gonna happen as well. Of course, there's a first gravity generator actually. We'll have to check if this still can reside here properly, or we'll have to move it somehow. There's a lot of stuff up here that still need to be fixed. The work is not ending. Not yet anyway. So, and there's also the same floor up here, the same floor problem we'll have to deal with. Also, we don't have a vent up here yet. However, we might do like a floor vent on these here. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.